Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anvesha from Dontia Dental Care Kolkata and I'm here with a series of videos on dental information and education. We are back with part 4 of this series and here we will be discussing on veneers. Check out the links in the description box for part 1 of the series on dental bridge, part 2 on dental implant and part 3 on what happens if you do not replace a missing teeth. Now before we get onto the procedure of veneers, let's talk about what are veneers. They are custom made shells that fit over the front surface of your teeth and look exactly like your natural teeth. They conceal cracked teeth, chipped teeth, stained teeth, other cosmetic imperfection and gaps between the teeth. Veneers can be of two types, direct composite veneers and indirect ceramic veneers. Now let's start with the procedure. The teeth surface are prepared by removing a very thin layer of the teeth as seen in this video. For direct veneers, tooth colored composites are used to build up the veneers directly on the teeth. Let me show some cases in our clinic using direct veneers. For indirect or ceramic veneers, after the teeth are prepped, measurements are taken and sent to the lab or in our case prepared in the clinic. These veneers are then fixed on the teeth. Now let me show you some cases done in our clinic using ceramic veneers. These veneers are like nail extensions or lengths, thin in nature and are used to change the appearance of teeth. Now let's discuss some commonly asked questions. Are veneers painful? No, these procedures are generally painless. How long does it take to do the treatment? It generally takes one appointment for direct veneer of 30 to 45 minutes approximately and two appointments for ceramic veneers of less than an hour each. What is the lifetime of these veneers? As with everything, the lifetime of veneers also depends on how you take care of them. With proper care, they can last up to 5 to 7 years and the best part about veneers is even if it breaks, your teeth inside remains intact as we use a minimally invasive technique. So now you must be wondering how to take proper care of veneers. Veneers are very easy to maintain and all that are the do's and don'ts of your natural teeth apply to veneers as well. Brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing every night. Do not use your teeth as tools like to open a bottle or tear a packet. Do not bite anything hard and regular visit every 6 months for checkup and polishing of veneers. Now that we have come to the end of this video, we are going to tell you next about another way to making your smile beautiful on how to achieve brighter smile with whitening. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more dental related information and press the bell icon so that you never miss a video.